girls were requesting a wedding guest makeup look, so I thought, why not? This look is not too difficult, it's very easy with a pop of gold glitter, and I'm sure you will like it and you will definitely try it as well. Do let me know if you like this look. Please do like my video and do subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. So I'm starting off with rose water. We all know how beneficial and refreshing rose water is for our skin. I'm applying it before moisturizer. Then I'll be applying Flexion hypoallergenic lotion. This is one of the two moisturizers that I use because I have acne prone skin. For primer, I'll be using Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer by Maybelline. It will make your skin soft instantly and will make a very smooth base for your foundation. So for foundation today, I'll be going full coverage because it is a wedding guest makeup look and we all want a very smooth and toned and evened out skin for a wedding. So I chose this Estee Lauder Double Water Stay in Place makeup foundation. It is full coverage and it will literally hide everything on your face, be it dark spots, scars, but it is very thick and full coverage, so you have to remove it very nicely with a good makeup cleanser. So let's move towards concealer. I'll be using Borja Paris Correcting Concealer for this look. It is also medium to high coverage and gives a good coverage for your under eye area. You can apply it on your scars, your dark circles and your T-zone area. I usually apply it in these areas as well. Now comes the eye makeup. First I'm going to apply this eye tape to make the look very neat and edgy. Then I'm going to start off with applying a skin colored eye shade, powder or whatever you have, you can apply it. It just smoothens out the lid and you can apply the makeup very nicely over it. Then I'm going to take this light brown shade from Morphine to James Charles palette and I'm going to apply it in my crease and I'm going to blend it in to and fro motion very nicely to create a very nice crease. Then I'm going to take this dark brown shade and I'm going to blend it in my crease as well. I always like to use 2 to 3 transition shades. It gives a very good dimension to your eyes. Then I'm going to take even a darker shade and my focus would be the outer corner of my crease. So this is going to be the darkest shade for today. It's very dark brown. My focus and blending will be towards the outer V of my eye. This is a very dark shade, so you have to make sure that you apply it very carefully. For eyebrows, I'm going to use the same dark brown shade and I'm going to apply it with an edgy brush and then I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. I got my hand on 2 new products and this is one of them. This is a golden glitter by Makeover. The best part about this glitter is that you apply it without any sealer or glitter glue. It's very easy to apply and it stays. And if you apply makeup fixer over it, it's even better. I gotta love this product. I think I'm going to buy it again and again and I'll buy it in different shades because it is so easy to apply and it makes your life so much easier. There's no mess of sealer or glitter glue and you just take the brush and apply it directly on your eyelids. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid because I loved it and I wanted the most of it. This is a white shimmery highlighting shade that I'm using for my brow bone. It gives a very nice and shiny look to your eye makeup. Well, for my under eye area, I'm going to use the same shades that I use on my eyelid. I'm going to add these 2 shimmery shades to give it a more dramatic look. Then for my eye corners, I'm going to use these highlighting shimmery shades. In the end, I'm just going to wipe off all the shimmer that is on my face with this huge brush. For eyeliner, I'll be using this liquid ink by Essence, and you can see how I am applying it. If you want to know in detail how I apply my eyeliner, I already have uploaded a video on that. You can go and watch it. I'll be grateful if you do. So the next product that I really want to talk about today is We Face Duo Stick by Maybelline New York. It is an amazing product. It has a contour stick on one side and a highlighting stick on the other side. It blends really nicely. It is highly pigmented, creamy, and I think it is very travel friendly as well. You do not need a whole contour kit and a highlighting palette separately. You have this stick and you're good to go. You know, for me, a product is amazing if I want to buy it again, and I will definitely buy this again. So it is totally recommended from my side, and the value for money is great. I'm just going to contour my face and nose to make it a bit more edgy, and then I'm going to blend it with the Morphe brush. You can see how easily it blends. Well, here my niece was around me and she was continuously talking to me and making me laugh. The powder I'm using is by Sweet Touch London. It is in the shade Porcelain Fair. I'm just going to apply it on my jawline area, and I'm going to keep it there for 2 to 3 minutes. But for the rest of my face, I'm not going to place it for a long time. I'm just going to take it on a brush and I'm just going to dust it off all over my face. Here I'm going to use the same highlighter from the stick, and you can see how easily I'll apply it and blend it. And to make it even more prominent, I'm going to use the Soft Glow highlighter by Sweet Touch London. Now I'm just going to apply my lip color and then I'll be done. I hope this video was helpful for you and you liked it. Please don't forget to like my video and do subscribe to my channel, and do leave your feedback in the comment section down below, as you all know that I love reading and replying to your comments. Until next time.